Hello everyone, again welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Vibes. This video is based on the evaporation process and different evaporators which are used for the evaporation process. So friends, do watch this video up to the end to get more information about evaporation process, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notification. After watching this video you are able to learn about different evaporation process and different evaporators which are used for evaporation process. So let's start our video. In that first, what is meant by evaporation? Evaporation means it is a free escape, right? Free escape of vapors from the surface of the liquid below its boiling point, called as a evaporation. Evaporation म्हणजेच काय तर फ्री एस्केप म्हणजे वाफ, एखाद्या लिक्विडची वाफ होणे त्याच्या सरफेसवरती, त्याची वाफ होऊन जाणे, उडून जाणे, त्याचा जेव्हा त्याचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हा टेम्परेचर आहे त्याच्या बिलो बॉइलिंग पॉइंटला असतं तेव्हा त्याची वाफ होणे, ह्यालाच काय म्हणतात तर इव्हॅपोरेशन. मीन्स इट इज अ फ्री एस्केप ऑफ वेपर्स फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ liquid below its boiling point, called as a evaporation. Evaporation can take place also even at room temperature, and the vapors form exert a pressure, right? When the vapors are formed and they exert a pressure known as a vapor pressure, which varies with the temperature, and the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. This is evaporation. Another point is factors affecting evaporation. There are various factors which affect the rate of evaporation of liquid. That first is temperature. So the rate of evaporation is directly proportional to the temperature of liquid. The evaporation can be accelerated by increasing the temperature, but it will cause decomposition of thermolabile substances, right? So for that, for example, in that many glycosides and alkaloids are decomposed at temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. Also the hormones, vitamins, enzymes and antibiotics, being more heat sensitive material, needs a special treatment in order to avoid decomposition. For example, malt extract is concentrated by evaporation under their reduced pressure to avoid loss of enzymes. Means जर तुम्ही टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज केलं तर तुमचं इव्हॅपोरेशन, रेट ऑफ इव्हॅपोरेशन पण काय होणार आहे, इन्क्रीज होणार आहे. पण कधी कधी काय होतं, टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज केल्याने जे हीट सेन्सिटिव्ह मटेरियल्स आहेत ते काय होतात, डिकम्पोज होतात, खराब होतात, त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट दिली जाते, राईट? दिस इज अ टेम्परेचर. सेकंड वन इज अ टेम्परेचर अँड टाइम ऑफ इव्हॅपोरेशन. It has been observed that the exposure to relatively high temperature for a short period of time may be less harmful to the active principle of a drug than a lower temperature with exposure for longer time or longer period. On this basis of this fact, liquid is exposed to high temperature for a short period in a film evaporator, right? This is temperature and time of evaporation. Then temperature and moisture content. Some drug constituent decompose more readily in the presence of moisture if heated at a high temperature. So this is due to the hydrolysis of active constituent. To avoid these types of decomposition of active principles of such material, the evaporation is done at a low temperature and then the final drying is done at high temperature when only the little moisture is remain in it. राईट. कधी कधी काय होतं, काही ड्रग्स मध्ये मॉइश्चर कंटेंट असतो आणि जर त्याला आपण जर हाय टेम्परेचरला हिट केलं तर ते काय होऊ शकतं, डिकम्पोज होऊ शकतं. म्हणून काय केलं जातं, सुरुवातीला अशा गोष्टी अवॉइड करण्यासाठी सुरुवातीला मॉइश्चर, जे मॉइश्चर ड्रग्स आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये मॉइश्चर आहे त्यांना लो टेम्परेचरला ड्राय केलं जातं आणि नंतर मग त्याला फायनली हाय टेम्परेचरला त्याचं ड्राइंग केलं जातं. दिस इज अ टेम्परेचर अँड मॉइश्चर कंटेंट. देन टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्ड. On evaporation of liquid, the concentrated liquid, semi-solid and solids are formed. So the selection of method and the equipment required for evaporation depends upon the type of product required. This is a type of product required. Then effect of concentration. During evaporation, the upper layer of liquid under evaporation has tendency to form a film and the formation of precipitate in the product, which result in lowering down of the rate of evaporation. Therefore, the efficient stirring is required in order to prevent degradation of the product at bottom due to excessive heat, and it will also prevent deposition of solid. This is the effect of concentration. Then surface area. The rate of evaporation is directly proportional to the surface area of evaporating surface in which the liquid is evaporated. The larger the surface area of the evaporator, the shorter is the time it take to evaporate the liquid. Another last one is a vapor pressure of the liquid to be evaporated. The rate of evaporation is directly proportional to the vapor pressure of the evaporating liquid, and the liquid has the maximum vapor pressure as its boiling point. As such, the rate of evaporation can be increased by raising the temperature of the evaporating liquid, and the rate of evaporation of liquid is the maximum at its boiling point. This the factor which affecting the rate of evaporation. Then for that the process of evaporation, there are various types of evaporators are used. There are different types of evaporators are used. So what is mean by evaporator? Evaporators means the equipment used in the process of evaporation are called as a evaporator. म्हणजे evaporation process मध्ये जे equipment use केले जातात त्यांना काय म्हणतात, evaporators. There are mainly three types of evaporators are used, or the evaporators are divided into three groups. First one is a natural circulation evaporator, then forced circulation evaporator, and third one is a film evaporator. But in this video we only studied the natural circulation evaporators. First is natural circulation evaporators. The evaporators in which the movement of liquid takes place as a result of convection current set up by the heating process are called as a natural circulation evaporator. म्हणजेच काय, ह्या प्रोसेस मध्ये म्हणजेच नॅचरल सर्क्युलेशन मध्ये काय होतं, तर जे लिक्विड आहे त्यांचं मूवमेंट एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागी with the help of the convection mechanism. So convection means the heat transfer takes place by the actual motion of the particles. That is, the during of the process of mixing, the heat transfer in the liquid takes place by this convection method, and this convection method the natural circulation evaporation is done, right? And these types of evaporator called as the natural circulation evaporators. For example, evaporating pan, evaporating stills, and short tube evaporators. So the first evaporator is a evaporating pan. You see the diagram, evaporating pan. So what is the construction and working of evaporating pan? It consists of hemispherical pan made from copper or stainless steel and surrounded by steam jacket. त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, हेमिस्फेरिकल पॅन म्हणजे काय, अर्धवर्तुळाकार पॅन आहे जो कॉपर किंवा स्टेनलेस स्टीलने बनलेला असतो आणि त्याच्या सभोवताली राईट काय आहे तर स्टीम जॅकेट आहे. त्या स्टीम जॅकेटने काय होतं त्याच्यामध्ये स्टीम पास केली जाते ॲज अ हीट ट्रान्सफर म्हणून. देन द हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप प्रोव्हाइड अ लार्ज सरफेस एरिया फॉर इव्हॅपोरेशन. It consists of product outlet at the bottom for fix in evaporating pan, and in other type of evaporator is mounted in such way that they can be tilted, right? In some types of evaporator the evaporating pan is only mounted and it is easy to tilted to outlet for the products. This is a construction. So how the evaporating pan is work? First of all, the material to be evaporated is filled in pan, then pass the steam. After some time the liquid will evaporate, and after evaporation the remove the product from the product outlet, right? This is a evaporating pan. Another evaporator is a evaporating still. See this diagram of evaporating still. So what is the construction of evaporating still and what is the working of evaporating still? It look like as a similar as a evaporating pan, but it cover that connected to the condenser so that the liquid is distilled off and hence named the still, right? Same आहे evaporating pan सारखंच, फक्त त्याचा जो कव्हर आहे तो कनेक्टेड आहे कंडेन्सरला. कंडेन्सरला कनेक्टेड असल्यामुळे काय होतं जे लिक्विड इव्हॅपोरेट होणार आहे ज्यांचं वेपर होणार आहे ते परत त्याचं डिस्टिल होऊन ते परत आपल्याला ॲज अ लिक्विड स्वरूपात भेटणार आहे. अँड दीज कव्हर कॅन बी रिमूव्ह फॉर द क्लिनिंग ऑफ रिमूव्हल ऑफ द product. It consists of a hemispherical pan made from copper or stainless steel, right? It is surrounded by steam jacket, same like as the evaporating pan. Steel is covered from top and connected to the condenser. Then hemispherical shape provide a large surface area for evaporation, and it also consists of a product outlet at the bottom. So how the evaporating steel is work? So first of all you should heat is given to the pan, liquid is evaporated, and the evaporated liquid which are going through the condenser and it again converted into liquid to obtain liquids, and after evaporation the liquid is evaporated and the product is outlet from the product outlet at the bottom. This is a working of evaporating steel. This is the natural circulating evaporators. If you like this video, please share with your friends, like and comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Pharma Vibes. And if you have any query related to this topic, then contact me on my WhatsApp number 8237759198. Till that we will back with a new video. Till that, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.